Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn about Boolean indexing in Pandas. Like default indexing 0, 1, 2 or labeled indexing, there is one more way to index, that is Boolean indexing. Now, you may be wondering that why we need Boolean indexing when we already have index. So, let's say we have a vast set of an e-commerce data. Now we want result for some queries like list of all user ID and the total payment received from them in the year 2019. All user ID which have bought for more than 10,000 rupees of value in 2018 but not bought at all in 2019. List of all user ID who have bought on sales day. List of all purchasers from California. So we have these couple of queries. Each of these queries have a logical criteria that must be checked one row at a time. And if you manually answer this query, then you need to scan each row and determine whether it meets the criteria or not. But with Boolean indexing, it is very easy because Boolean indexing is a procedure of selecting the subset of data based on actual values in the data frame. This helps in displaying rows of data frame according to true or false as specified in the command. Now, there are four ways to filter the data. Accessing a data frame with a Boolean index, applying a Boolean mask to a data frame, masking data based on the column value, and last, masking data based on index value. So, let's understand these ways one by one. For accessing the data frame, we need to create a data frame in which index contain Boolean values, true or false. First, we will create a data frame. This is my dictionary and now I am providing the index to a data frame. Run this. As you can see that each row of a data frame have a true or false value associated with it. Now we can access this data frame by using log function or ilog function. Log function is used to access a group of rows and columns by labels or a Boolean array. Here, I'm going to provide true as Boolean argument. Let's run this and it returns all the rows having true as index. Now let's try to access the data frame with ilog function. This function is used to select rows and column by number in order that they appear in a data frame. So if we try to pass Boolean value true or false, then it will throw type error as it accepts only an integer value as an argument. Here as you can see that it throws type error. Now I will provide 1 as an argument. Now run this. As you can see that it returns the value of first index. There is one more function called ix, which is a hybrid of log and ilog function. But this function is deprecated. Moving to the next way, which is applying a Boolean mask to a data frame. We can apply a Boolean mask by giving list of true and false of the same length as contained in a data frame. Here I am going to create a data frame with this dictionary and I have provided the index value as well. Now I will apply a Boolean mask by giving the list of true or false. Now let's run. On applying a Boolean mask, it prints only that data frame in which Boolean value is true. Now we will look at the third way, which is masking data based on column values. Through this way, we can filter a data based on a column value by applying operators like equals to, greater or less than, and then it returns a series of true or false. Here I am going to create a data frame where columns are name, department, ID and their salary. Now we will understand the masking of data based on a column value. For that, let's understand with a condition where we will filter the data in which department is manager. For that, I will apply a condition where data frame.department, which is a column name, equals to manager. Let's run this. Here we got a data set which returns true if department is manager. Now based on department, we can also select all the other columns data or even complete data frame. Let's see. Let's run this given condition. So as you can see that it's the complete data frame containing manager as department. Like this, we can also use multiple conditions to filter the data. Suppose we want a data of employee whose department is manager but the salary is greater than 90k. For this, I will simply write a condition where I have given department as manager and salary should be greater than 90k. Here I have add AND operator to add multiple conditions. Let's run this, and it returns the data of employee whose department is manager and salary is greater than 90k. Coming to the last way, masking data based on index value. We can filter the data based on column value. For that, we will create a mask based on the index value using operators like equals to, greater than or less than. Now let's see an example. Here I am going to create a data frame. Now I will create a mask and I assigned it with index value equals to 2. Let's run this, and it returns the output where index is 2. Now we will try another condition like this, run this, and it returns a data set whose index value is greater than 1. So that's all for the Boolean indexing. I hope you enjoy it. You can find all these code in our blog as well. The link is in the description box. Please leave the comment if you have any query. Thank you for joining us.